Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience, the 16-piece stainless steel cookware set. This isn't just a collection of pots and pans, it's a comprehensive solution designed to handle everything from delicate sauces to hearty stews, and it even throws in a few bonus items to sweeten the deal. Let's see if this set lives up to its ambitious claims. First off, the sheer comprehensiveness of this set is impressive. We're talking about a full 16 pieces. This includes a variety of frying pans, stockpots, and saucepans, all essential for everyday cooking. But it doesn't stop there. They've included a steamer insert, which is fantastic for healthy cooking methods like steaming vegetables or dumplings. You also get utensil sets, which is a thoughtful touch, and pot protectors to keep your new cookware safe when stacked. And as if that wasn't enough, an apron is included, so you can look the part while you cook. This truly aims to be a one-stop shop for your culinary needs, covering frying, stewing, steaming, and even baking. When it comes to cooking, health is paramount, and this set emphasizes a healthy and non-toxic experience. It's constructed from high-quality stainless steel, which is inherently free of harmful substances like PFOA or lead, giving you peace of mind with every meal. The smooth and delicate surface is designed to prevent food from sticking and to ensure that no unwanted chemicals leach into your food. This focus on purity is a significant selling point for anyone concerned about the materials their food is cooked in. The quality and longevity of cookware are crucial for any home chef. This set is built with exquisite craftsmanship and uses high-quality stainless steel that is designed for excellent durability and stability. Stainless steel is renowned for its resistance to corrosion and deformation, meaning these pots and pans should stand the test of time, resisting warping or pitting even with frequent use. This isn't a set you'll need to replace in a year or two, it's built for the long haul. One of the most critical aspects of modern cookware is its heating performance, and this set aims to excel here. The bottom of the Induction cookware features a special design engineered for rapid and even heating. This means your food will cook faster, and more efficiently. Not only does this shorten cooking times, but the excellent heat preservation capabilities also help reduce energy loss, contributing to energy savings and environmental protection. For those with induction cooktops, this is particularly important, as proper base design ensures optimal performance. Cleaning up after cooking is often the least enjoyable part, but this set promises an easy and worry-free experience. The non-stick design of the cookware surface is intended to make cleaning more convenient. A quick wipe should be all that's needed for most residues. Furthermore, the company offers a perfect after-sales service, which is a great reassurance for any buyer. Knowing that you can reach out with questions and receive prompt assistance from a professional customer service team can significantly enhance the overall purchasing experience. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros. The most obvious pro is the incredible value and comprehensiveness of the 16-piece set. It includes not only essential pots and pans but also useful accessories like a steamer, utensils, pot protectors, and an apron. The emphasis on healthy, non-toxic, high-quality stainless steel construction is a major advantage for health-conscious individuals. The durability and stability of the stainless steel material suggest a long lifespan for the cookware. The rapid and even heating performance, combined with energy efficiency, makes cooking more convenient and potentially saves on utility bills. The inclusion of a non-stick surface and the promise of easy cleaning are significant user-friendly features. The robust after-sales service offers peace of mind to potential buyers. Cons. While the set boasts a non-stick design, the effectiveness and longevity of non-stick coatings on stainless steel can vary. We'll need to see how it performs over time. The sheer number of pieces might be overwhelming for some users who prefer a more minimalist approach to their cookware. The quality of the included utensils and pot protectors, while a bonus, might not be as high-grade as dedicated standalone items. While the set is oven-safe, the specific temperature limits are not detailed, which is an important consideration for bakers. In conclusion, this 16-piece stainless steel cookware set from presents itself as an exceptionally complete and well-rounded option for the home cook. It addresses crucial aspects like health, durability, cooking performance, and ease of use, all while bundling in a generous array of accessories. The comprehensive nature of the set, coupled with the promise of quality and excellent customer support, makes it a compelling choice for anyone looking to outfit their kitchen with a versatile and reliable collection of pots and pans. If you're seeking a single solution to elevate your everyday cooking, this set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.